हिंदी में इंग्लिश में
Okay.
सरप्राइज This is for 14 plus, you know.
Is it?
14 plus. So I ordered this RC truck, which is from, what is the brand name? Boxing. Hey Boxing or High Boxing, I don't know what it is, but it is from High Boxing, and the name of this RC car is, number of this RC car is 18859. Now let me unbox it and let's see what we have. This is one more box. Yes, so we have this stickers, so many stickers.
Nice.
Then we have this user manual of each and every parts. So if even if any of the part is damaged, we can buy it from online and we can replace it.
Is there any warranty?
I don't know. Actually, this came from US and it costed me around 89 Singapore dollar. So don't know about warranty. Now we have this card. I'm not sure what it is. Now let me open this. How I can open this? Yeah, like this only.
Oh, nice.
We have another one. Here we have battery. One battery. I don't know what this is.
Maybe charging.
Yeah,
it.
for charging, to charge the battery. Then we have some connectors. This is the car, which is bit heavy, not light. And these are the tires. See the tires,
It's spongy.
spongy, yes. And here we have,
This is okay. That is the
controller.
remote control.
Remote controller. Until the binding is complete, do not touch the trigger. This is the remote controller for this car. Now let's check. Here we have power on off button. Let's start
me.
this. Press and hold. But how I can know that it started? And here in the remote we have on. So I opened the body of this car by removing this pin. So there are 4 pins, and when you remove it, you can see the inside of the car. Let me connect it. It is not connected, and that's why it is not working. Let me connect it. It's too tight. It's jumping.
We have attached this.
Yes, we have attached this connector with the battery, and now
This again.
let me again close this.
So this type of pin.
Yes, so we have this one pin, then we have the second one, then we have this third one here, then we have this fourth one, Yeah, done. Now let's start.
હા તો મારા માટે લીધી. વાહ 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 લંડન હો.
ऊपर कैसे आएगी?